Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to see your call history on Snapchat. Now for this one to work, you want to make sure we're both updated for our iOS devices or Android devices, as well as the application itself. So I'm going to start with the iOS device. Same goes with your Android devices. Go to General, Software Update. We're just making sure there is no pending update for version history. So we have the fullest version of both devices. Next up, going to the App Store right there. And I've just updated my Snapchat last night, I think. So I'm just tap in here, Snapchat. Perfectly right there. As you can see, there is already a pending update. So on your end, just make sure this is updated. However, I have updated to the latest version since last night. So I have it good to go. Next up, open up your Snapchat application. And it's really useful to see that call history, right? So once you open it right there, and you go to your messages, you really cannot see any call history here. So what you can do right now is close the Snapchat application and click on the call history icon. So once you click on this one, everything coming to your phone, maybe Snapchat, a messenger phone call, or even an Instagram phone call, you will see it right here. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.